Open the Autodesk Fusion 360. On top left corner there is a workspace slide down button. Click on it and make sure to select Design option. Now select Create Sketch. It will show the 3 planes. Select Top View Plane. It will open the sketch in the toolbar. Go to the toolbar, select Rectangle Sketch, then it will open the sketch palette on the right-hand side. Here I am selecting Centered Rectangle. Select the midpoint on the plane and sketch a rectangle according to the dimensions. I am here taking 120 mm length and 50 mm width. After this, select Rectangle by clicking inside Rectangle and right-click on Mouse. It will show the Extruding option. Select Extrude. Now Extrude is open. Select the sketch to extrude and give the dimension of height. I am here giving 2 mm. Click on OK. Now again select the rectangle sketch that is centered rectangle and select the top surface of the solid rectangle. And from center sketch 115 mm length and 45 mm width of rectangle. Now create slide down button on the top, select Text option. Choose the R for the text to be written. After this, select Text Font. Give character space accordingly and alter the height of the font. In alignment, select Align Center and Align Middle. Now type text in Text Input. Click OK. Click on Finish Sketch if all goes right. Select Extrude and select the text on the plane of the solid rectangle. Extrude option is to be cut and give negative value to cut the solid part. Lastly, select the appearance under Modify options, give metal bronze color by dredging it on the solid part.